some, few, many shows the quantity. So they are called as quantitative determiners. Our next determiner is numeral determiners, under which comes the cardinal numbers, ordinal numbers and the multipliers. Okay, so what are cardinal numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. are called as cardinal numbers, and ordinal numbers are the numbers which tells the position of a noun. For example, first, second, third, etc. Last determiner is interrogative determiners or WH determiners. That means the words that, or you can say the question words, the words that ask questions. The words like which, whose, whom are called as interrogative determiners.
Start.
Now we are going to study each determiners in detail. So our first determiner is articles, and you all know a, an and the are called as articles, in which a and an are called as indefinite articles and the is called as a definite article. Why a and an are called as indefinite articles? Just because when they are placed before a noun, they generalize the noun. That means when they are placed before a noun, they do not specify or they do not point the specific person, place or thing, but it generalizes the noun. Whereas the, when it is placed before a noun, it specifies the noun, and it when it is placed before a noun, it tells the particular, or it points the particular person, place or thing. So now we are going to study with example. Just see to a and an. I'll give you two examples. I have a pen. Here when a pen, here a determiner is used before pen, that means that we are talking of a pen in general. We are not specifying any brand or any type kind of pen, but we are talking of a pen in common. And in the next example, the pen I gave you is not mine. So here we have used the pen. So here when we have put the before pen, that means we are talking of a particular pen. So here the is a definite article, and when the is placed before the noun pen, then it signifies that we are talking of a specific pen or a particular pen which belongs to me. Now you all know that an is always placed before the words beginning with vowels or having a vowel sound. And now we are going to study that where we place the. So the is used at many places. The very first, when we are talking of a particular person or thing, as I told you over here, that when we place the article before any noun, then it specifies it. So any before proper nouns or before mentioning any person or any other noun, we just specify it. For example, the man whom I saw yesterday is my uncle. So when the is placed before man, that means we are talking of a particular man whom I met yesterday. Now the is also used before the names of mountains, Alps, rivers, mythological books, oceans, etc. For example, the Mount Everest, the Ganga, the Ramayana. So we just place the before mountains, Alps, rivers, mythological books and oceans. Moreover, the is also placed before the superlative degrees. The degree of comparison. Superlative is the degree of comparison. Example, the most, the best, the tallest, the most beautiful. So these kind now. So this way the is placed before the superlative degrees of comparison. Next, the is also placed before ordinals. When we are pointing or we are telling the position, then before the position we use the article the. He was the first man to walk on the moon. Here we say the first. So first is the ordinal number and we have placed the. So the is always placed with ordinal or before ordinals. Next, before the musical instruments. The is placed before the musical instruments. Example, he can play the tabla rhythmically. Next, the is also used with comparators. Example, the more money we have, the more we want. So here we have used the comparators, we have used the adverbs. The more money we have, the more we want. Now we'll see that where the articles are omitted, where we do not use the articles. So you all know that articles are never placed before plural countable nouns which are used in which means a general sense. Example, children like toys. Here we are using children, the noun children, and before children, because it is plural countable noun, so we haven't placed any article over here. Next, article is omitted before the proper noun, that is the name of people. For example, you never say the Raja or the Mayank. So names are always taken individually. No article is placed before the names of a person or say the proper nouns. Article is also omitted before the names of continents, countries, cities, etc. Example, Europe. Europe is a proper noun also, and so we do not place any article before Europe or any name of the country, before any name of the country. Now next, articles are omitted before the names of subjects. For example, we never say the physics, we say physics. Next, articles are also omitted before the meals which are used in general sense. Example, dinner is ready. Here, so dinner is the meal, and before dinner we haven't used any article. So, and we also do not use any article before the languages. Example, I learn English at school. We never say I learn the English at school. So I hope the article part is clear to all of you.